Hey guys, today this is me again, Ark. So today we're going to play this game called Retro Garage, and today we're going to repair and create our own uaz469. I like this car model because it looks like a Jeep Wrangler or whatever is it, because it's so nice. Then a Ram Charger. But I love Ram Chargers than this one. So let's go repair. Disassembled, and disassembled. But they're all broken. So let's start with the body part. Let's go in the bolt and the front panel. Remove the mudguard. Oh, and the trunk, the hood. The trunk is at the rear one, not the front one. So we have to remove this roof awning. Okay, let's remove the doors. I'm going to change green into a red one because red is my favorite color. Because it's the strength, love. Not just because of that, because if I look at it with my eyes, it's so nice. So it's like that removes all my stress. Oh, this is why I'm always love red. This is why all my cars are red. I have a lot of toy red cars. Oh, just forget that. Yeah, forget it. Roof. Okay. I guess this is it, guys. Let's go to the base. The interior. Rear left panel. Back panel. Front left. Oh, this is rear right panel, and this is the windshield. The rear left door. Front left door. Front left door, and the rear right door. Oh, I'm late. I have to go. Look at this. Looks like it's a small car. Okay, the tuning. Okay, I guess this is okay for me. The little one. There. No, 1.5. There. This is nice. Suspension settings. And let's go wait. Okay, let's go. Guys, I'm done. Look at this. See? But not yet. We're going to check it first. Yeah! Okay. So, let's go for painting. Let's go the hue. Yeah, okay. Ooh, I love this. But wait. Ooh, this. Now let's go with the windows. Let's make a little tint first. And right there. The wheels. Brightness. Okay, this is now. Okay, I'm okay with this. So cool. That's splash with paint. Let's go to the workshop. See? Let's take a review. Okay, so as you see the back, so nice. So cool. Can't believe how nice. Wow, I like chrome than metallic. See this? So nice. So let's move this car to garage. Okay, now let's go to garage. Oh, this is the other one. And this is, wait, which means I have two of them. Oh yeah, guys, I remember I played this one and another one of this because I like these cars. Okay, so do you want to show you guys? I will. Oh, nothing's now, I guess. So goodbye. Goodbye, guys. See you next time.